was supposed to do a recap video from yesterday of Toledo and Segovia, but after a long day I just came home and I crashed, so I completely forgot to do the recap video. But basically Toledo and Segovia were beautiful. It was such a good tour, very organized, very, you know, straight to the point. You got enough time to spend in each destination. They gave us time to sightsee on our own along with like a guided tour. So it was really nice. I really enjoyed my time there, and I believe the tour that I went through, I can't remember the name, but I will put the information in the description box. But it was such a good tour, honestly. It was from 7:45 and then we got back at 6:30ish, so like 10-11 hours. And that's exactly how long they said it would be. So it was pretty much, you know, straight to the point, very organized and very accurate in how long you would be spending in each destination. Today I am going to a cooking class. Basically we'll be learning how to cook paella, tortillas, and sangria, which I'm very excited about. I am dressed and ready to go. I'm gonna try and do the metro today. Well, I'm gonna do the metro today. The first 2 times that I've tried to use the metro, they were down. Well, not down, but they weren't going to the places that I was going. So like they would stop before, and I would have to walk. So the first day I ended up walking to where I needed to go. And then yesterday I was gonna take it home from take it back to the hotel from the spot where the tour dropped us off, but it wasn't going all the way back to where my hotel is. So I just called a cab. And it's pretty like New York City. You just put your hand out and then a cab comes. They start the fare and then basically you pay. So I don't know if I want to record on the metro, because I know that they said that I don't know, I just don't know if I want to record. I still want to be aware of my surroundings, especially since this is the first time that I'm using the metro, and I don't want to be too out there and like make myself noticeable as a tourist, because that's who pickpocketers target. So I haven't decided if I'm going to record on the metro yet, but I will try and record the cooking session. So stay tuned.
But see, very, very important about this stuff. It looks now it's closed, it's in vacuum, so you can leave it anywhere, okay? But when you open, don't forget immediately cover with foil, okay? Because the saffron just lose all of the flavor with the light. So we use 3 today. So 1 glass and a half. Yeah. Okay. This glass is more or less like a cup. Okay. Immediately start to boil, and you see how the oil immediately comes a little bit cloudy. Okay, you're going to see more cloudy now in a minute. Okay, and normally you start to see the bubbles here normally in the middle. Again, the bubbles in the middle, how the oil comes cloudy. But what happened with the starch again is 80% water. That's when the starch gone, evaporated, because it's water. What happened when all of the starch evaporated? carefully. Open carefully.
I literally just got back from the cooking class and it was amazing. Okay, we basically had a Spanish omelet. We made a Spanish omelet. We made the Spanish omelet sangria. Then we made paella, chicken paella, not seafood. And then we made a dessert. Oh, whoops. We made a dessert. It was basically poached pear in a wine reduction with whipped cream and the reduced wine, which turned into syrup, drizzled on top. And it was amazing. Like every last dish that we had was amazing. Oh yeah, and a codfish salad. The metro system here was pretty straightforward. They do colors and numbers. Like, so the train that I took the green 5 line. I want to say it was 5. Green 5. I have the stuff in my purse, actually. It's relatively simple. Relatively. With the map, then you can figure it all out. So this is the map, basically. I took the green 5 line, then 5 green from Opera to Alonso Martinez because the red 2 line is not working. Well, it's not to say it's not working, but they cut off the line from Sevilla and Banco de España. So it wasn't going in where I needed it to go. So I had to take the green 5 line to Alonso Martinez, then transfer to the 4 brown line, and that took me to Goya. Basically, as soon as I got out of Goya, I just had to walk to Mercado de Torojos, something like that. So I'll probably go back out at like 5:15, maybe 5:30. Like the tour, the tapas and bars tour is not till 7, so I'm pretty much free till then. But later, guys. Okay, so I walked around a little bit, but now I am at the food tour. And we're just waiting for people to show up. The food tour starts at 7. It's like 6:50, 55 maybe. But yeah, this is Plaza Mayor.
It's a really famous place in Madrid. A lot of people come here, not just tourists. The local people from Madrid used to come here to buy the meat and also drink a beer with your stomach. I'm gonna order the drinks and the food. You can wait over there, you can check everything, and if you have any question or something like that, just let me know, okay? Is salchichon. We used to eat that every day. For example, the kids at the school during the break, bread with chocolate.
This place is called Museo de la Mamá, and there's like tons of meat everywhere.
You can check the price.
It's also kind of like a bar or eatery. So people hang out in like the meat store. It's like a meat store slash bar slash pastry store at the Vineyard on the street.
I can do it.
No.
Oh, I'm so
Cheers, barman.
Cheers! Cheers! Why are you giving us all this alcohol?
Yeah, why?
Do you like us? Are you trying to get us drunk? What is your agenda?
He's gorgeous. He's absolutely gorgeous. Yeah, come on, Pia.
Pia wants the big one.
Este.
¿Qué?
As a rejected.
Salud. Okay, so I was in the room. I first came out to get food and stuff, and then I went back to the room. I was watching movies, and I completely forgot that I didn't pick up any souvenirs for the family. San Miguel, so the San Miguel supermarket. I mean, not supermarket, San Miguel market. And basically, it's like a food marketplace, like this food marketplace where you can get like tapas and beers and wines and fruits. So this yeah, oh, gracias. So the San Miguel market is like so dope. I love it. I just had roasted peppers, fried peppers over there with wine. Honestly, he only charged me for the peppers, which is $7, and I have like 2 glasses of wine. I don't know if that's customary or if he was trying to flirt with me. I don't know. And now I am getting tacos and a margarita in a bag to take home to eat. If my phone wasn't dying, then I probably would have stayed longer, but yeah, that's what's happening thus far. Glad I got to experience this, plus I have an early flight, so I don't want to be up too late drinking and such, so yeah. So I'm back in my room. Literally packing up my stuff to leave for Portugal tomorrow. And I'm trying to maximize as much space as I possibly can. Oh, okay, there those shoes go. So I'm gonna wear these shoes. I'm really trying to maximize as much space as I can. But I think I got this.